What's up, gamers? This is NGG here with another kind of video. So I had these last year that they broke in December, and since I fixed my switch, I'm gonna see if I could try to fix this. I broke this piece here, and then this piece here is broken. This I don't think I'm gonna be able to fix, but I'm gonna definitely try to fix this piece right here. Let's get started. I bought on Amazon this thing right here, and so let's see what it comes with. Okay, I also didn't buy the black ones, so I'm getting into more gray, so I bought the gray ones. I don't know if they look exactly the same. They look the same. All right, it's supposed to come with some screws. Here's some screws. Try to get that tool out of in there. All right, so that's everything it comes with. I'll toss that to the side. All right. All right, let's see if we can get this fixed. Supposedly, you're supposed to just unscrew. They're tiny. Oh, those are not the screws. Where are the screws? Okay, the screws I'm looking for are these. I wonder if it broke in the wrong place. For me to fix it. So this just replaces this piece here. All right. So the screws I'm looking for are in there. I need this to collapse so I can deal with it. There we go. Now I can get to it. The screws are here. There's one. It would be nice if this tiny thing, the screwdriver, was also magnetic. All right, there you go. There's two. So that should loosen it from this piece here. And I'm supposed to do the same thing on this side. Loosen it there. And loosen it there. All right, so all the screws are out. So it looks like I need to pry this apart. I'm gonna try to do it without breaking it. Oh, I really don't want the pointy end on my, there we go. I think I gotta get it on this side too. There we go. Hoping I don't damage this piece here. Okay, pieces out. Okay, I got it with the beads this way, so let's put it back that way. I wonder if they're supposed to snap back together. Okay, with the video I'm showing says to push this piece in here and push this piece. There's probably crap in this one. Push this piece in here. Push this piece in here. Yeah, stay in. We'll just stop wobbling. Okay, they're in. Center that wire. And now to put the headband back on. Oh, hold on, let me see how this fits. Oof, the headband doesn't want to stay together now. I might have fucked up. I think this has to be over here. There we go. There we go, now it's on right. Ooh, this is really sticky. I'm gonna have to clean my hands. All right, so it says to put this piece in here first. And then slide this one in. I don't see how it slides in. I feel like I should do this off of the, in here. Slide it in here and snap it together. Because it goes in there, it goes in there. Okay, I hear the snaps now. That should work better. So sticky in there. Oh crap, I know why I wasn't supposed to do that. The wire. Hope I don't break this. Gotta try to do that with the wire inside. All right. sticky stuff inside. I feel like if I can get the wire to close with so my camera turned off while I was fixing it, but as you can see, I got the headband on. Snaps in, snaps out. I've tested it so it works. You guys didn't see, this was the black one that I had. I've replaced it because there was no fixing that with the gray one, because I want to kind of make this black and gray headset. Now I bought these little ear things for this because they felt greasy and sticky, but after cleaning them they feel fine. They have a little damage here, I don't know if you guys can see. So when they really get damaged, I have these silver ones that I'll put on. I'm not gonna put that on today just because I can work with this until it really damages, and then I'll have these headsets. But I did get to fix them. They are working properly, and now instead of having to buy another set of Beats, these ones are fixed for about $50. Yeah, all these other pieces, I mean, I didn't need to have the ear pop part, but all the pieces I bought, it's about $50 worth of repair. So yep, that goes in there like that, and that'll fix both the microphone part and the headset part. Thanks guys for watching. Happy gaming. Bye.